Greetings to everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a straightforward and delectable Moroccan couscous dish. So let's get started. To begin crafting Moroccan couscous, we need to gather our essential ingredients. These include finely chopped onions, a handful of fresh parsley leaves, diced tomatoes, chickpeas, a small cup of oil, chickpeas, 1 cup of water, and 500 grams of couscous. In terms of seasonings, we will require black pepper, turmeric, ginger, and salt. Additionally, we will be using vegetables such as eggplants, carrots, turnips, pumpkin, hot pepper, and an extra tomato. You will also have the option to incorporate green squash or other vegetables according to your preference. The initial step involves preparing the couscous. Take the 500 grams of couscous and place it in the large bowl. Moisturize it with the 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of water. Then stir until the ingredients are well combined. Set it aside for later. Moving on the second step, we prepare the stew. Begin by adding oil to a pot, followed by the onions and chicken, and then sprinkle in the peas. Incorporate the grated tomatoes and mix everything together. Add the soaked chickpeas and pour in 5 cups of water, along with the carrot and white radish. Next, it's time to fluff the couscous that was set aside earlier. Use your hand to separate the grains. Place it in the top of the stew and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. Once the 40 minutes have elapsed, transfer the couscous to another container and add a small teaspoon of salt along with a cup of water. Now return your attention to the stew, where you will incorporate the remaining vegetables. Put the couscous back into the cooking process and let it simmer for an additional 30 minutes. When all the components have been thoroughly cooked, carefully pour the couscous into a serving dish and artfully arrange the cooked vegetables on top. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.